What's up, YouTube, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Keandraahzhane, and as y'all seen by that title, I'm going to be reviewing this Megalook hair and just showing y'all how I styled it, kind of like a start to finish closure wig install. Y'all, I've been really feeling closures lately. They're super affordable, more affordable than frontal units are, because it's a closure and you ain't dealing with that much lace. And I loved this wig. I did purchase this wig off of Amazon with my own money. Y'all know I told y'all if it's sent to me, I'm gonna let y'all know. If I buy it, I'm gonna let y'all know. So yeah, I really like this wig. Like I said, it was super affordable. It is a closure unit, a 4x4, and y'all, for this to be a 4x4, it had a nice amount of parting space. Like, do y'all hear me? Do y'all hear me? The parting space was on point. I did get a couple strands of hair as I was running my fingers through the hair, but it did stop. Like, it's not like it just kept shedding. So I did want to put that out there. Over the course of me wearing it, I got very minimum shedding, and I was super surprised, y'all, that they included elastic band. This is my first time purchasing a unit, and it have elastic band in there. And mine did stretch out a little bit over the course of a week, because I actually slept in my wig. I went out of town and I just kept this wig on for like a week. So yeah, there's the parting space. The lace was medium brown. It was nice, and this is 150% density. I think it was like the perfect amount of thickness. It was just everything. It had a luster to it. Even after I bleached the knots, which bleached perfectly fine, it still had its shine, and it was still soft and everything. Because y'all know, if you got a bad wig, sometimes you can wash it and it just loses its everything. That's how you know you got a bad wig. But this wig kept its luster and everything, and y'all will see, of course, those S type of curls did not stay in the wig after I washed it, but I did put some curls back into the hair with my wand curler, as y'all will see later on in the video. So yeah, I was just showing y'all the construction of the wig. Pretty simple. Has the elastic band, has the combs, has the adjustable strap, and we about to get into me installing this wig in just a second. All right, y'all, I don't know if I mentioned it, but this wig is 22 inches. I don't remember if I mentioned that or not. And as always, I will have the link in the description box as to where you can purchase this wig, the direct link. So yeah, I'm just cleaning my hairline with some alcohol. I'm going in with my Ruby Kisses. I am in this shade. It's just so many numbers and letters, y'all. 13, I think it is, at the top, in case you my complexion and you were wondering. But now I'm just combing through the hair. I don't know why I'm doing all this, like fixing apart and just doing all that, because I mean, I'm finna lay the wig up. 444 just caught it, y'all, as I'm doing this voiceover. But yeah, I'm just going in with my Got To Be Glue Freeze Blast spray, and I like using this, y'all, because it's just super simple, super beginner friendly. In my opinion, like, any closure is really beginner friendly when you just get into wigs. And especially this way of installing it, because the Got To Be Glue spray, it's not a glue, so it will definitely adhere your lace, but it just won't last as long as an adhesive or a glue would. So I like that in case you want to just pop your wig off. Literally, you could spray this with some water and it's coming up. So I did a couple of layers of that while blow drying in between. Don't mind my blow dryer. My hot comb was laying on it like an idiot. I didn't turn it off, and it melted half of my blow dryer, but it still works. So we gonna continue using that. But yeah, I'm just blow drying that a little bit. I'm using my comb. Y'all know I love to go in with the back comb motion, just pressing that lace into the Got To Be Glue spray. And y'all, I didn't actually pluck this unit. I don't know why. Like, I don't know if I was moving too fast. I was bleaching 2 wigs at the same time, so I don't know. It's been a couple times where I just have not been plucking my closure units, but yeah, that's okay, because they still look pretty natural. So yeah, I'm just gonna let y'all keep watching me do this, and then I'm gonna get into cutting the lace in just a second. I definitely recommend, you using an elastic band to further melt your lace into your skin. Y'all, ever since I've started doing this, I have not went back to no like regular silk scarf or anything. I don't know what it is about the elastic band. I guess it's just tighter, and it just, I don't know, like I feel like a scarf is wider. This is just perfect. I don't know what else to say about it. But yeah, as y'all can see, I'm hot combing. Y'all know I don't play by the top of these wigs. Like, we gonna hot comb until it's laid, okay? So I'm just going on my comb and my hot comb and just going back and forth and hot combing that down. And by the way, I do use my Care wax stick all the time when I'm laying the top of my closure or my wigs in general. And yeah, I just wanted to include that. That helps you really get that hair laid up there. Now y'all see me going in with my olive oil heat protection serum. I really like this. It like gives a nice shine to the hair. And yeah, I'm just putting that on before I start curling, just to reduce any frizz or anything like that, and just to have the curls silky. And now I'm going in with my wand curls, y'all. I have not used my wand curl in so long. Like, ever since I learned how to do flat iron curls, it's like I've been neglecting my wand curler. So I decided to use that today to just do some wand curls. And I really like the wand curls that are like flat, if that makes any sense. So for the most part, look at that bounce, look at that bounce. For the most part, I just like to go in and keep the hair as flat as I can around the wand curl. That gives you more of like a flat spiral curl. I don't know how to explain it, but y'all know what I mean. Like, versus just wrapping the hair around and not keeping it flat, it gives you more like a spirally type of curl. But I don't know, I just like the flat looking ones like these. So yeah, I keep my hair flat. I believe I did a little tutorial, it's kind of old, of how I did do my wand curls, so I kind of explain that better. But yeah, we just gonna fast forward this, nothing major at all. We just gonna wand curl both sides of our head. Alright y'all, so now it's time to cut the lace, and those scissors that I have are bomb. They're my new scissors that this company sent to me, and when I say I'm so thankful and grateful for these scissors, it don't make no sense. Like, they're bomb. Like, when you used to working with some janky old scissors, some dull scissors, and you go from that to these, like, man. But anyways, I'm just going in with my razor and just cutting the lace off. And as y'all can see, I told y'all I ain't plugged now. I told y'all. But like I said, it's okay because the final result is all that matter. It was still cute. I don't know, like I said, I think I was being lazy. I was moving too fast, or I don't know what it was. But I just didn't even bother plucking this at all. Except when I do my baby hairs, as I'm about to do now. Y'all know that when I like to do, what I like to do is do 3 edges for the most part, like, or baby hairs, whatever you want to call them. And I do 2 on the edges of the closure, like the very edge of the closure, and 1 in the middle. I don't know, in my opinion, that just gives it like a frontal type of effect, if you will. because it's like the hairs are going where lace isn't. Like, it ain't really no lace over there, so it's giving the illusion that the lace is continuing. I don't know if that makes any sense, but that's the best way I can explain it. But yeah, sometimes I switch my baby hairs up. Now these take a while, y'all. That's why I'm not even about to ramble because baby hairs is just one of those things you just gotta watch, in my opinion. It's a little bit better to just watch what I'm doing. I will say, y'all, I said I wouldn't ramble, but now I'm rambling. But I just want to make sure that y'all know I did use a combination of the black got to be glued gel along with the mousse, just to lay my baby hairs, because that gel, when you're not using that much of it, it can kind of dry fast. So the mousse helps loosen it up and also give it a little bit of extra hold. But yeah, I'm just gonna let y'all watch me work. Alright, y'all, so I was just putting the finishing touches on my hair. Y'all saw me going with a little bit of makeup in the part and get into it. Like, just get into it. I'm kind of just trying to comb the baby hairs out just a little bit so they don't look as harsh, because y'all, I have a habit of like kind of like doing my baby hairs a little bit too harsh, and it's just because I use got to be glued gel. So yeah, that's kind of why it gives it that harsh look. But I just try my best to make it look natural and just comb it out. And now I'm just combing the curls out, and I'm actually using a fine tooth comb. Yes, I am. And I'm just going in, and y'all can see how that instantly brought that wave, that body wave look back into the hair. Because I know it could be hard to get it back, or you know, after you wash the hair, it doesn't have that same look. So if you ever want to get that body wave look, just do you some warm curls and comb them out, literally. And that gives me that nice like body wave effect that I love. So yeah, y'all, at this point I'm basically done with the video, and if you stayed to the end, thank you so much for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see y'all in my next video. Get into the curls, get into the unit, get into the whole thing, period. I'll see y'all in my next video.
Was you love it with the phone when you home? All I ever asked was you show me some love, kiss me some hug. I never had to let you go to the club with your boys.